This time of year, I always like to highlight annuals that are doing well in the garden, especially as we get into these hot summer months. And so I've got two here that I want to show you that are in our All-America Selection display garden. We've got here Flamma Orange and then Burning Embers. Both are the flame type celosias, as you can see. And what's really nice about them is they are AAS winners, but they're winners because they give you such consistent color all through the planting season. So whether you're an OSU fan or no, you can select your color here, or maybe you just are looking for that particular orange or kind of this sort of a pinkish, hot pink red color to add into your garden. Now, the Flamma Orange was an AAS winner in 2022, and then this was a more recent winner in 24. This one will get about 11 inches tall, whereas this one's going to stay a little bit shorter, as you can see here. But what's nice about them is they have plenty of branching structure, and every time it branches, it's going to give you a new flower. So you're constantly getting new flowers on top of it. You can see the orange one here has just those nice green leaves kind of as a background to highlight those orange flowers, whereas the pink one here, the burgundy one, it has kind of a burgundy foliage to it, and it's also got a real red stems and then also some veining as well. So you're going to get some extra color from the foliage as well. Now, I know we've had a wet spring and then the rain has shut off, but because we had such wet springs, a lot of people were suffering from different root issues with some of your annuals. And it's always important to kind of shift different annuals from year to year so that you don't have some of those root problems, especially when there's moisture or heavy rainfalls in those spring months. So this might be one to consider alternating next spring.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.